Goonoo Goonoo Station is approximately 20 kilometres outside of Tamworth. We moved up here about 4 years ago from beachside to country New South Wales. When you see opportunity and a gap in the market, why not take that? First and foremost, we both live on the property, so it's home to us. We have restored an 1831 historical village, and now we offer luxury accommodation, Glasshouse Restaurant, and events as well. Basically, what we wanted to achieve with Goonoo Goonoo was eat, sleep, shop mentality, where people can come here, take their bag out of the car, and then they don't have to leave.
The vast majority of the buildings were completely derelict. We didn't actually knock any down, we actually kept all of them, but they'd already been marked for demolition.
We just saw these buildings and we thought it's a playground of opportunity. So what we wanted to do was to make the accommodation feel more modern country.
People like to look at older buildings, but here you can stay in them and you can stay in them comfortably. So the wool store was built in the 1870s. We fully restored it from the ground up. We've got original shingles. You've got original bricks with drawings and stamp marks and things that have been there for 100 years. You can't recreate that. It's got a soul all of its own.
Glasshouse Restaurant is probably about as modern as what you can get. So you've got this beautiful heritage building, and in between it, you've just got, a brand new build. It's not just the food, it's not just the wine, but it's also what you can see as well. We have people who come here.
People who come specially for storms.
For storms,
Which is pretty cool.
Because you're sitting inside a glass building, so you can
crackling on the hills.
Yeah, see it all. We're taking Goonoo Goonoo Station now, and we're opening up our home to, the general public. Yeah, this is a labour of love.